Today's video will show you how to make puri. We'll need to make the dough first. So we'll need atta or whole wheat flour, 2.5 katoris, Ajwain or carom seeds, half a teaspoon, then oil for frying as well as 1 teaspoon for putting in the flour when you make the dough, and water for making the dough. The dough for making puris is a bit stiffer, harder than for making rotis. So first you mix the Ajwain seeds in the atta or whole wheat flour, add 1 teaspoon of oil, mix it up, and then add water little by little, as you can see, to make the dough. The dough has to be stiffer than the one that we usually make for chapati or roti. So add water little by little to make a smooth dough. The dough is almost done now. That's ready now. There it is. Heat oil for deep frying in a kadhai or a wok on high flame. And while the oil is heating, you take a ball of dough, roll it out into a thin circular shape, about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. And while the oil is heating, you can roll out all the puris. So get going. There it is. You can see how the puri is being rolled out with the rolling pin. We're applying some dry flour so that it does not stick to the surface or the platform where it's being rolled. And once it's rolled out, you transfer it to a plate there. And keep rolling out one by one all the puris. There, all the puris have been rolled out. The oil is hot, so we'll place one puri in the hot oil carefully and then rotate the puri while pressing on top around the edges so that the puri puffs up. There, you can see that it's puffing up. Yeah, it's fully puffed up now. So we'll flip it over carefully and fry the other side a bit till it's done, but not overdone. Be careful. Adjust the flame to medium or high as needed. And when done, we'll take it out in a plate. We will fry all the puris one by one as before, taking care not to spill the hot oil on yourself, and also taking care not to burn the puri as such. Only lightly frying it and taking it out into a plate when done. So all the puris are being fried one by one, carefully, and now all the puris are done, as you can see. Serve the puris hot with aloo in gravy or even dry aloo bhaji. Serve it with some salad and pickle if you want. We have prepared this aloo gravy sometime earlier. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and do send us your feedback. Thank you. More recipes.